Hello everybody, why dividend income, dividend stream of passive income so important for volatile market, and why I think the most important of my portfolio is my own dividend stream around 23,500 US dollars per year. Why? Because this is your free gunpowder which you can use to average down or average up if market growing to buy more stocks. This is very important from psychological from psychological point of view. And let me explain this in my own experience. Okay, so my dividend income is around 23,500 US dollars. You can see this on the screen. And this is not too much if you think in relative to overall portfolio size, right? Around 900,000. Not too much. But this would be mistake to think this way, because see, to put money in portfolio from your own pocket, you have to earn this money, you have to pay taxes, of course, you have to manage your budget, and so on, right? And when market is volatile, when recession hits, sometimes, especially if you are a businessman, especially if you are not on stable job with fixed payouts, you can feel a drop in your income, right? You can be in a situation when you earn less money and of course nothing left to investing. In the times which are most valuable to invest, which more profitable in future, of course, to invest in this market, when market drops, when economy drops, when fear hits all markets, all investors, and so on. When you have a dividend stream, you have free money to invest in stocks. Free money is relative term, of course, nothing free in this world, and you of course count on this money when you calculate your total return. Yes, you can invest in non-dividend stocks, in pure growth stocks. I don't like them. I don't invest in pure growth stocks, but okay, you can. And this, of course, total return. Dividends also count in total return of my portfolio. No problem. But you receive the money stream, which you can put also in most dropped in price shares, which you can buy on the junk prices, on the sale, of course, because quality dividend stocks, quality dividend growth stocks usually don't have so much downside, and they don't drop in price so big, so hard, so quick, and usually they recover quick because they have inner value, and one part of this value is, of course, money stream. When, for example, when you buy a stock which yield on the current price around 3%, and the stock drops in price in half, the same dividend without growth are now 6% on the dropped price. And you, of course, would like to buy these stocks because you have upside in price and you fixed a very nice yield, which will be sustainable if you invest in quality stock with not too much payout ratio, with growth EPS, and so on. So this is why dividend income, dividend stream are so important for me. I experienced it For example, in 2022, in 2023, when I moved my family from Russia to Portugal, and I didn't had a lot of free money to invest, but I had dividend income. I had a dividend stream. I had some free cash which sits on my Interactive Brokers account, and I receive dividends. I invest them, reinvest them, and I continue to put my portfolio in the work. Okay, without this, without dividends, I would be much less comfortable, much less confident, because I have a family, I have parents on me, and so on. And without dividends, I would be much less confident in investing overall. I know I can at any moment, I can start use these dividends, not in reinvesting them, use them on my own expenses. I know I can switch my strategy to, for example, closed-end funds, and increase my dividend income in around threefold, right? 3 times more, and this would be financial independence at all. This will be enough to cover all expenses of my family, including the private school, private kindergarten for my boys. That's all. Please write your opinion in comments. Please write your opinion about dividend income or total return or investing in non-dividend stocks in comments. I would be appreciated, and thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.